Hello and welcome to the third video of PRAMS hands-on series. In this video we're gonna talk about the research productivity, the second profile under performance profiles. To access the research indicators, you go to performance profiles, then select research productivity. We have here 4 different tabs, one for publication, one for citations and reviews, one for grants and patents, and one for faculty performance. Before we start talking about the different indicators, I just would like to mention that all the numbers that we present here are collected directly from Scopus. The second point I would like to mention is for research productivity, we decided that we're not going to compare 2 different colleges in the university, because in research you cannot compare research productivity of College of IIT, for example, with College of Science or College of Business or College of Humanities. So we decided that we will present the research productivity of each department and compare the department with the other departments with the same college. So here you can see the department, you can see the college minimum and college maximum. So here the graph shows that the department published 37 Scopus publication in 2015 and increased to 44 publications in 2016. In last year, 2019, the number of publications increased to 78. And this one actually was the maximum by the college, because here you can see the college maximum. The college maximum was 63 in 2015, went up to 74 in 17, then a little bit or almost the same in 17, then big increase in 18 to 96 publications, maximum per department per the college, and then went down to 78 in 2019. And you can see here is the minimum number of publication per department in the college. For the publications in top 10, you will see here that 33% of the 37 publications in 2015 were in top 10%, and the percentage increase in 2016. It is 44% of the publication published by the department were in top 10 according to Scopus, and went down to 24%, 15%, and 26%. Down here we will see the international collaboration, and this one will show if your published papers has some collaboration, some of the authors with international affiliation. So in 2015, you can see that the 37 publications by the department, they had 30% of them had some kind of international collaboration. So some of the authors had international affiliation. And the percentage in last year was, out of the 78 publications, 60% of them had some kind of international collaborations. And here is the last figure here is corporate collaboration, and corporate collaborations is a collaboration with industry. So we can see here the last year was only 3% of the publication had some kind of collaboration with the industry. The highest for the department was in 2015, where 11% of the 37 publications had some collaboration with the industry. Second tab here is the number of citations and views. You can see here the total number of citations for the paper published by the department. For the 37 publications in 2015, they received a total of 374 citations. And for the paper published in 2016, they received a total of 436 citations. You can see here the college maximum, and you can see that it's going down, and this is what is expected actually, because the papers are out for more time. It will attract more citations. So the citations in paper in 2017, I expect to receive more citation than paper published in 2019, because they've been around for 3 years, so they attract for sure more citations over the years than the paper just published in 2019. Here is the number of citations per paper. So we divide the total number of citations here by the number of published paper, and you can see again the number of citations per paper goes down, and this is expected. The last one, which is very important indicator here, is the field weighted citation impact. So what does this mean? Since faculty could publish in different fields, so I might, for example, publish in computer engineering, I could publish in computer science or software engineering, or in assessment and education. So Scopus identifies the field of my publication and tracks the average number of citations in this field for a paper after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years. So after 1 year, for example, and the average paper attract 5 citations or receive 5 citations. So if my paper published after 1 year received 5 citations, so I am in the average with the other papers published in this field. But if my publication, for example, received 10 citations, in this case, my field weighted citation impact will be 10 over 5 would mean 2. So my publication has more impact than the average publication in the field, or attract more citations. On the other hand, if my publication received only 2 citations, so my field weighted citation impact is 2 over 5, which is 0.4, lower than 1. So if your field weighted citation is lower than 1, it means your paper are attracting less citations, and it has a lower impact than the average papers published in the field. So here we can see that the department was 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.7, and then increased to 1.1 in 2019. The college maximum 1.2, 1.1, 1.3, 1.1, and 1.7. And the college minimum is this one 0.7, 0.4, 0.6, and so on. Similar to citation, here we display the views, so how many views the department received. So you can see here in 2019, the publications published by the department attracted 2,983 views, and out of them they received 399 citations. Here is the view per paper, and again the field weighted view impact, and field weighted view impact show here that the papers published by the department attract more views than the average, so they have more impact in the fields. Third tab here we have the grants and patent, and here is the number of department college maximum for the internal grants, external grants, and sharing grants. So we can see that the department had 4 internal grants in 2018, 4 in 2019, and 5 in 2020. And the minimum here for the college and the college maximum was 8, 7, and 7. And for externals, the department had 3 external grants in 2018, 1 external grant in 2019, and 0 in 2020. For the student grants, they received 5 Sure Plus grants in 2018 and 7 in 2019, and no one received any Sure because Sure were not offered in 2020, so 0 for the college and 0 for the department. For number of patents, you can see that in 17-18 the department filed 3 patents and granted 2, and for 18-19 they filed 3 patents. Faculty performance, I will not be able to choose the faculty performance for privacy issues, but if you are a department chair, when you click on faculty performance, you will see the list of the faculty in your department. When you click on any one of them, you will see the performance for the faculty, including number of publication of the last 5 years, publication in top 1, 5, 10, and 25 percentile. You will see the collaboration with international, collaboration with UEU, national collaboration, and if they have any single author paper, These are all the indicators that I would like to talk about. Next performance profile, we're going to talk about the program viability. Until then, take care and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.